Hello student. Today we have to study about the property of multiplication of integers. Because we are studying the chapter integers. So what is the properties of multiplication of integers? Here we have to study about the properties of integers. So first property is a closure property. All of you have studied about the closure property in integers. When we add two integers, the sum of integer is also integer. Property in addition, property of addition. Here we have to study about the property of integer, multiplication of integers. Closure property. Closure property, if we multiply any two integers, the product is also an integer. Here, the product of two integers is always an integer. Product of तो इंटीजर्स को जब भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, आइदर बोथ आर पॉजिटिव और बोथ आर नेगेटिव, और वन इज पॉजिटिव एंड सेकेंड इज नेगेटिव. सो product multiplication of both integer is always an integer. For example, 4 and 5. 4 is also integer, 5 is also integer. The product of both is 20. 4 5 is 20. 20 is also integer. So the product of two integer is an integer, which is an integer. And second example, -8 and 6. So the sign of opposite, the sign of product is negative when the sign of integers is opposite. Here there is sign of negative, here positive sign. So product sign of product is minus 4 8 6 is 48. Minus 48 is also an integer, which is an integer. So if we multiply two integers, the product is also an integer. So hence for any two integers a and b, a and b is an integer. A and b, a is an integer, b is another integer. When we multiply a into b is an integer. Second property is commutative property. If a, b are two integers, a and b are two integers, then a into b, b into a. If we change the order, the product remains same. यदि हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन में दो इंटीजर को अगर उनका ऑर्डर चेंज कर दें तो प्रोडक्ट में कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कम्यूटेटिव. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू इंटीजर्स रिमेन्स सेम इफ वी चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ दोज इंटीजर्स. हियर a into b and here b into a, both will be same. Here we take example, first integer is 8, second integer is -6. Change the order, -6 into 8. 8 6 are -48. Here -6 8 are 48. Both are equal. So here we write 8 into -6 is equal to -6 into 8 is equal to -48. Both are equal. So there is no difference if in production, in the product, if we multiply two integers by changing the order. This is the commutative property of integers. Hence multiplication of two integers is commutative. Next is associative property. If a, b, c are in three integers, then a plus a to b, in one group we take a and b, we multiply the group of a and the product of a, the group of a and b into c, and here we change the group. Here we make the group of b and c. and the product of B and C is multiplied with A. In both condition, result is same. Product is same. So this property is called associative property. कोई तीन इंटीजर है, उसको पहले दो को ग्रुप बना लीजिए. फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट टू इंटीजर ये ग्रुप में, उसके बाद जो उसका प्रोडक्ट आएगा उसमें थर्ड इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे जो आंसर आएगा उसी को ऑर्डर चेंज करने का. अब फर्स्ट इंटीजर को छोड़कर यहाँ पर सेकंड और थर्ड इंटीजर का ग्रुप बनाकर जो उसका प्रोडक्ट आएगा इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करने को दोनों सेम रहते हैं. दिस इज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. हियर वी टेक three integers. First integer is -3, second is 4, third is -6. Here we made the group of first and second integers, but here we made the second and third integer, the group of second and third integer. Let's start doing the solution of both sides. -3 into 4 is equal to -12. 4 3 is 12, sin r upon so here minus into -6, both sin r same, so product will be, the sign of product will be positive. 6 12 6 is 72. Here -3, 4 6 is -24 because here signs are positive. So -20 minus the product of same sign will be positive. 24 3 is 70. Both sides are equal. So hence multiplication of integer is associative. So here we have studied that close in the multiplication of integers, closure property, commutative property and associative property, all these properties follow the multiplication of integers. Next property is properties of multiplication of integers. Fourth property is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication distributive property of multiplication over addition. Here fourth property of multiplication is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Here spelling is from B. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. For any integers a, b and c, for any integers a, b and c, for any integers a, b, c are here we have distributive property of multiplication. Here you have to multiply over addition. यहां आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, उसका एडिशन, ग्रुप ऑफ एडिशन में किसी इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. जैसे फर्स्ट इज a into b plus c, multiplication over addition. So we can write it like this, equal to a into b plus a into c. This is called multiplication over addition. Either you can write like this way, a plus b, second, this is first, a second you can also c, is equal to a into c plus b into c. You can write this like, we have three integers a, b and c. Here a is multiplied, here we multiplied the sum of a and b with c. Here sum of bc is multiplied by a. This is called multiplication, distributive property of multiplication over addition. So for example, we take 4 into 4, 6 plus 4, multiplication over addition, equal to 4 into 6 plus 4 into 4. Now solve the both side. 4 into 6 4 ja 24. Here 4 6 ja 24 plus 4 4 ja 16. Here 4 into 24. Here 24 plus 16. 4 4 ja 16. 4 2 ja 8. 1 9. Equal to 6 4 5. Here we have 12. Here in left side we have 2 and here 4 into 6 plus 4 10. 4 into 10. 10 4 ja 40 plus 6 4 10. 2 1 3 1 4. Here we see that left side and right side both are equal. So this is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So this proves this is the property of multiplication, property of over addition. You can also solve in another way by second. According to second, a is minus 3 plus 4 into 2 is equal to minus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 2. Let's start doing solution of both sides. 4, 3. Sum of it is negative and it is positive. When we add two integers, both sides sign of greater value will be written. So here we out 3 from 4 we get 1. 1 into 2. Here 3 minus 2. 3 minus 6. Plus 4 2 ja 8. 8 1 2 ja 2 is equal to out 6 from 8. Here both sides are equal. So this property, distributive property of multiplication over addition is true. Next, fifth property, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. In multiplicative identity, for every integer a, we have for every we have a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. Multiplicative identity. If we multiply any integer by 1, the product is that integer itself. यदि किसी इंटीजर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू जो होती है स्वयं itself that is integer, वही इंटीजर होती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी. फॉर एग्जांपल, -4 we multiply by 1 is equal to -4. Here 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So if any integer is multiplied by 1, the product is also that integer. Here -4 is an integer. We multiply by 1, the answer is -4. Here 6 is integer, we multiply by 1, the product is 6. So this is called multiplicative identity. Next is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, or you can say it reciprocal. For every non zero integers we have a into 1 by a is equal to 1, or 1 by a into a is equal to 1. So if there is any integers, कोई भी इंटीजर हो that is positive or negative, you have to change that numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. For example, minus 6 is an integer. What is the multiplicative Inverse, multiplicative inverse of 6 is minus 1 by 6. Because we can write minus 6 by 1. If any integer is given, the denominator of that integer is 1. So numerator convert into denominator, denominator convert into numerator, but there is no change in sign. So multiplicative inverse, multiplicative inverse of minus 6 is minus 1 by 6. There is no change in sign, but denominator into numerator. When you multiply integer into that multiplicative inverse, answer is 1. Here we prove it. Minus 6 multiplicative inverse of minus 6 is 1 by minus 1 by 6. 6 1 is 6, minus minus plus 1. So this is called multiplicative inverse. So here we have to change numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, but there is no change in sign. If any lesser number is, any integer is given, then suppose that a is an integer, the multiplicative inverse of that integer will be 1 by a. If 1 by a is given, the multiplicative inverse is a. This is the property of multiplicative inverse in multiplication. So next property is zero property. Sixth is property of zero. Property of zero. Here we have to study about the property of zero for every integer. For every integer, a. For every integer a, we have a into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into a is equal to 0. If you multiply by any integer with 0, answer is 0. आंसर क्या होता है 0. किसी भी इंटीजर में 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और 0 को किसी इंटीजर में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, that the either that is positive or negative, but answer is 0. That is called property of 0 in multiplication. Property of multiplication of integer. This is the called property of 0. For every integer we have a integer. For example, minus 2 is an integer. 0 property. Multiply with 0, answer is 0. 0 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 6 into 0 is equal to 0. Minus 7 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 10 is equal to 0. In all the examples, we see that any integer is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. This is called 0 property of multiplication. So I think all of you have understood the properties of multiplication of integers. So these properties you have to see the video and understand, watch it again and again, and understand. It is very simple. You can solve many questions related to these topics with the help of your textbook. So it is sufficient for today. Thanks for today.